vegetables. Sakbhaji. What is this? Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. Tomato એટલે tomato. What is this? Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot એટલે ગાજર. What is this? Lemon. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon એટલે લીંબુ. What is this? Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Potato એટલે બટેટું. What is this? Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Onion એટલે ડુંગળી. What is this? BRINJAL. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. BRINJAL. BRINJAL એટલે રીંગણું. What is this? Peas. P-E-A-S. Peas. Peas એટલે વટાણા. What is this? Garlic. G-A-R-L-I-C. Garlic એટલે લસણ. What is this? Cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber એટલે કાકડી. What is this? Ginger. G-I-N-G-E-R. Ginger એટલે આદુ. What is this? Drumstick. D-R-U-M-S-T-I-C-K. Drumstick એટલે સરગવો. What is this? Yam. Y-A-M. Yam એટલે રતાળું. What is this? Cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage એટલે કોબી. What is this? GOURD. G-O-U-R-D. GOURD એટલે દૂધી. What is this? CHILLI. C-H-I-L-L-I. Chilli એટલે મરચું. What is this? Cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Cauliflower એટલે ફૂલકોબી. What is this? RADISH. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish એટલે મૂળો. What is this? Bitter gourd. B-I-T-T-E-R. G-O-U-R-D. Bitter gourd એટલે કારેલ. What is this? VACHES. V-A-C-H-E-S. VACHES એટલે ગુવાર. What is this? Coriander leaves. C-O-R-I-A-N-D-E-R-L-E-A-V-E-S. Coriander leaves એટલે ધાણા ભાજી. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.